Hey guys, this is Fraser with Think Smart Tutoring, and today we're going to be doing a 5-mark AASL level question in the 2022 paper 1 exam. So it's an uncalculated test, and it's a function / calculus kind of question. So you have to have, to be honest, it's mainly calculus, but we have some functions in there. So let's get started. So it tells us that they've given us this curve, this 2x minus 1 multiplied by e to the kx, and they told us k is an element of the rationals. And they've also told us that the tangent to the curve at x equals 1 is parallel to the line y equals 5e to the k, all multiplied by x. And so I've highlighted this because that's important information, and that if the tangent is parallel to something, that means that its gradient, that their gradients are equal. So we're going to have to be using some differentiating here. So let's go ahead and differentiate this first curve. So we have that y is 2x minus 1 e to the kx. So if we want to find dy dx, we need to use some chain rule. So differentiate the first function multiplied by the second. By first and second, I mean this here is the first and this here is the second function. Order doesn't really matter, to be honest, but whatever, and if they've written it like this. And then we're going to add the differential of the second function multiplied by the first. We can actually bring out e to the kx. That's going to be 2 plus 2kx minus k. Can leave it like that. And then the second function is y equals 5e to the k x down here. That's just a straight line with a gradient of 5e to the k, so that means dy dx is just 5e to the k. Now we know that when x is 1, right, because that's the important information they told us here, that the tangents are equal, that the gradient of the tangents are equal, aka they're parallel. So dy dx, this is some notation, at x equals 1 for the first function is equal to e to the k, because x is 1, of 2 plus 2k minus k. And the second straight line obviously just has a constant gradient, so we don't have to deal with any x's there. So that means that we're going to have e to the k of 2 plus k is equal to 5e to the k. We can go ahead and cancel e to the k. So 2 plus k is equal to 5. That means k is equal to 3. That's the final answer. It's a bit confusing just because they told us that k is an element of the rational. 3 is a rational. 3 is an element of the rational numbers. But because they give it like this, it makes it almost feel like, oh, k is going to be like 3 over 2 or 2 over 3 or something, but no, it's just 3. They could have told us that k is an integer, but whatever, maybe they're just trying to throw you off a little bit. So yeah, that's the answer. Hopefully that was clear. It was a pretty short question, not too bad. If you guys want some more content like this, maybe want to look at more like the conceptual understanding, look at some of the content rather than just exam questions, then feel free to head over to Think Smart Tutoring. You can sign up, grab a tutor, you can set up lessons however frequently you want, for however long lessons you would like. So yeah, hoping this video was helpful. I'll be making more in the future, so yeah, hopefully see you guys then, and have a great day.